Hi guys. So Thanksgiving just passed. What comes next? Christmas! Spirit fingers! Anyways, so we have a surprise for the kids. Thanks to my son's father's mother, his grandmother. I don't do my hair, don't mind me. We are taking the kids somewhere. They have no idea where. It involves Santa Claus, a train, hot chocolate, some cool PJs. Look at my PJ, guys. Look it. I'll probably take a picture later on. Ain't your mama cute? Ain't your mama cute? All right, so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Look at these feet. Look at these feet. Y'all wanna see these feet? Look at these feet. I have so much energy, guys. I always do, I don't know why. It always starts really good in the morning. Like, I'll be up here. Once 4 o'clock hit, it's like, boom, I fall. My energy goes like that. What are you doing? Can you tell the world how much you love me? Can I get a beso? Can I get a beso? Mwah. He don't care about me. You won't let me do my hair? You don't hit me. Nice. Be nice to your mommy. I'll cut your toe. We just wrinkle toes. We just took a bubble bath. Who's coming? Change the subject, guys. Hey.
My pajamas.
We weren't talking about nothing.
Yes, you were.
Oh, go
What
back.
were you guys talking about?
They're not gonna tell you.
Yes, they are. I will force them to.
I need you to wash your mouth. You got whatever you was eating down there. All right, guys, we'll be back.
Left foot 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Chop, chop, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot 2 stumps. Left foot 2 stumps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Oh, yeah. Come on. Turn it up. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Hop it out now. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stopped? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot down. Left foot down, y'all. Turn it up.
What do we got?
We just got to
Come out from
Maria.
under there. Come out from under there.
Hi, how are you?
Inside voice, please.
Yes, sir. Hang on 1 second.
Want me to do it? Inside
We can watch
voice.
the Grinch stole Chris.
No, I want the new one. The new one. I love the new one. We watch it every single day because of me.
Is it, that's not the new one?
It's a new Grinch one?
No, I want the new one. Like,
Oh, you guys in pajamas. I'm so
we have
excited.
pajamas too.
You guys look so
That's why
cute.
you told me to wear pajamas. Look.
Pajama squad. I can't wait till we take a
And we're
picture.
having a party pizza.
We leave our shoes on?
I do it off habit. She said we didn't have to, but
Mommy, everybody in my school wears those.
the pants.
No, the shoes. Those shoes.
I want a pair actually. You gonna buy me a pair for Christmas?
Yeah. No, your brother's gonna buy you one.
Pizza's
We got
here.
pizza.
Okay, all right. My children out of the kitchen, please. My children out of the kitchen.
Pizza.
This one right
We
here?
have the other table clear.
Hi, guys.
Here.
What are you eating, Kai?
He's got a cookie.
Oh boy. Let me see.
So, at my pastries, I have turkey and stuffing and potatoes if you want a plate too.
I think I just did that. That was my breakfast. Yeah, I have a slice.
Okay, Samaya, you have plates for everybody?
No, excuse me, your plate do not belong under there. Let's behave properly.
Okay. And then the other table is set up over there too.
Okay, so Maya, this way with the plates, come. Elf's little helper, come this way.
I don't got anything.
So there's this over here. Put some plates here. We can sit here too. Okay, yeah. Guys, you guys can sit here too to eat if you want to.
Lilith, can I get a huggy?
We have to eat.
Adrian, you want pizza? Come.
Alright, I'm gonna put some.
You want this corner?
I have yours in the microwave.
You want this corner?
Oh, you're welcome. Napkins, are we taking
We
napkins?
love the box that the
Oh, do you? Yeah.
That's why I break
Is
it.
this another plate?
Oh, no, you need to put a mountain.
One,
Which one would you like?
three. Samaya, you gonna take one for the other room? What do you want? Can I get you something too? No. Come on, I get you.
This is yes, I remember. Okay, Lilith. Okay. Thank you, Maria. Eva, you want a snack? Yeah, take a bite. Hi. Recording. Look at this fancy. What are you eating, miss? You didn't want your pizza. What are you eating? Yeah.
Say, Maria gave it to me. What do you want?
You got
I did
fancy
it.
with it. Danielle, say hi. Get
Do you
Danielle,
want gravy
guys.
on any of that stuff? I do. Chuck here. Put it on first.
They didn't want it?
Well, the boys don't.
The two boys here.
Pretty girl.
Yeah.
See, oh, you guys are all matching.
Hi, look at this. You.
Let me see your jacket. She just woke up. A little bit moody.
Yeah, she woke up in the mood.
I can see.
Oh, where's my phone? I'll show you
Catalina,
how
I
she
need to
came
see your
over
face,
last
Cat.
night. It was too funny.
Yeah?
Catalina, look at Juana.
Hi, pretty girl.
You said bye.
So pretty.
Bye. That
Maria.
actually fits pretty.
Who's that? Where's his bib? Hello, Catalina.
Say hi, Tyree.
He's having a little pudding. Are you gonna have some? Did mommy say you could have some?
If this is what dripped, that's nothing.
No.
Okay. Hey, can she
his
have
shirt
her
is-
face or no? Okay.
She should eat some real food. She just woke up.
Okay.
Good boy. Maria, does he have a bib?
Yeah, yeah. Let me go get
Good job.
What a big boy.
You want, honey, you want pizza?
Oh, that
No.
is delicious.
Okay, you ready? So for this game, I have to hold your spoon. Hold on, I gotta sit over there. Okay. So you have to smell the pudding and tell me if it smells like dog food.
There's no pudding.
I got you.
should have had her put it on.
Huh?
Should have had her put it on.
We just arrived.
Mommy, I went on a train before. It was on for our field trip, and we had like tickets.
You guys excited?
And we're gonna get some food on the train. Guys, we're getting food on the train. We're getting Santa Claus on the train. So the Santa Claus is actually the real Santa Claus is actually.
They were right behind us. Yeah, they were right behind us like the whole time. So they probably.
If there's not inside, like it's so.
Hello.
Hello, Mama. Hi, train.
It's so cold. I'm cold, guys. It's so cool. It leaves at 5 o'clock. Zip up. You're not even zipped up.
I think it's on the other side. Hey, where are you? Hey, girl,
What are you? Santa's a helper?
Go between the buildings.
Hi. High five. Nice to meet you. You're so pretty. Ladybug.
Deb.
You've seen her before.
Oh,
Deb.
that's true. She was
No.
They're unloading this one because they need to switch the train. Okay, cool. Here. This is for Kyrie. Come here.
Can we put that on like after or something?
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
Kyrie's cold. Let me see Kyrie. Okay, I should have been more prepared. It's cold. Put it on, Lilith. Lilith. Yay, you liked it?
At this time, we encourage you
No?
No.
to report to the assigned train cars
Put your hat on.
for boarding. We're boarding together. Have your tickets out. Train crew to check.
And Mommy, you guys are from Elf, so you have to do what I say. Hey, we gotta go.
Oh, that's so cute. I don't have mine on. I don't have one on. You don't have one?
Daryl.
Okay. Watch your step, guys. No goofing around. That goes for grown-ups too. It's very expensive to go to the orthopedic or the dentist. Oh, yeah, we don't want to do that. Keep those teeth on.
Well, we're all gonna sit together.
Excuse you, over there. Because we're following Daryl.
Go down, all the way down. All the way down.
The party area.
Yep.
Do the last 6 rows.
You're looking
Thank you.
festive.
You're welcome. Don't do that. Chill. So you can't steal a seat all by yourself.
Hang on a
You got an
second.
empty seat over
So I
here.
got 2 more here.
Over here.
Where are you sitting, Maria?
Samaya, you want to sit with Danielle and Catalina? And then we can have one
Or
here.
you want to sit with me?
You want to sit with Daryl or me?
Or me?
Me. So we're going to go sit over here.
You're gonna sit here.
I'll sit there.
Okay.
You're
So
sitting
can I
there?
sit with you? Who's gonna sit
Okay.
with you?
They're
I'll sit behind you. We're fun.
they're watching you. Yeah. Make sure he sits on his bottom. You guys excited?
Yes!
This is the crew.
No, we're not gonna. We have to leave one. We're gonna go on a train ride. Trains go.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Couple of rules to go over before we leave on our magical journey. While with the train is in motion, please keep your hands and feet in the train seats at all times, and please remain seated while the train is moving. I do promise that once we get to the North Pole, we will have a chance to get out of our seats and move our legs and stretch a little bit. Also, please don't adjust the windows on this frigid night. We don't want anyone's fingers to get caught. We'll leave that to a train conductor. In case of an emergency, we do have a bathroom in the next train car over in case you have to go. Now everyone get nice and cozy. We're going to be leaving very, very shortly, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, and welcome aboard the North Pole Express. We want you to have a fun and a safe journey.
All right, everyone, wave goodbye to Essex Station. Goodbye, Essex. We'll see you real soon in a little bit.
Just maybe, if we're lucky, we'll see Santa's reindeer flying by. As your conductor, I invite you to sit down, relax, and enjoy our live musical rendition of Twas the Night Before Christmas. There'll be hot cocoa, cookies, and carols. So enjoy yourself into the night. We've got a schedule to keep. Next stop, the North Pole!
My name is Timmy Tinsel, and I am from Tinselville. That's right, near the Sugar Plum Patch. And all those sugar plums sure like to dance. But enough about them, back to me. I have a very special job here at the North Pole. Who wants to know what it is? Want to know? Well, I decorate all of the Christmas trees in North Pole Square with my magic tinsel. I make sure everything sparkles and shines. Now, I am on the train tonight for a very, very special reason. Santa himself has asked me to find some extra special helpers this holiday season to help me with the decorations. As we know, it's going to be a really big year. So, by a show. All aboard, we're on our way. We're going North Pole bound, let's not delay. Hold on tight, we're underway. Say hooray! Hooray! We're riding the rails, get ready to play on our locomotive sleigh. Can I get one big great hooray? Hooray! Snowflakes fall, it rains here calm, it fills the air with joy. She's bringing hot chocolate and cookie bites. Bring your happy appetite as we travel through the night. And if we have a three, we're gonna say, we believe in you, Santa, 3 times, all right? 1, 2, 3. We believe in you, Santa. We believe in you, Santa. We believe in you, Santa. Now, everybody,
We believe in you, Santa.
listen. No, my goodness, it works. All right. So he sounds a little far away. So we're gonna draw him closer by doing his favorite thing. That's ringing the train whistle. All right. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3. All right. Now let's look out our windows. Do you guys see Santa? How about over here? Do we see Santa? You know, my friend antifreeze, so you can hear nothing but Play-Doh. That Santa is right on the roof. Oh, this reminds me of one of my favorite Christmas stories. Now, what was it called? Was the night before? Oh, yes! Those are my tinsel toes. They're always ready to back me up, just like Beyonce. So, here's what we're going to do. For this next number, you're going to be my echo. That means whatever I say, you say. So if I say twirling tinsel, you say... Swirling tinsel. And if I say swirling snowballs, you say... Swirling snowballs. I think you got it. Repeat after me. 'Twas the night before Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Yet all through the house. Not a creature was stirring. Not even a mouse. Everybody goes. Why is the mouse now? All through the house now. Quiet as a mouse now. The stockings stockings were hung by the chimney with care. Can you all grab a stocking and hang it in the air with me? Here we go. One for Julia, one for Michael, one for Kevin, and one for Timmy. In hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. Keep your fingers crossed, and hope and wish. Keep your fingers crossed, and wish and hope. The children were nestled all snug in their beds. Let's get all cozy, okay? While visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Dance break! Yeah! Am I in a church? Am I in the house?
We're going across, they stopped the traffic, so we're going by.
Away to the window, I flew like the flash. Tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the crest of the new came a cluster of midnight clouds. What's my wondering eye should appear? But a miniature sleigh and one a tiny reindeer with a little old driver so lively and quick. I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. Trumpets up for Santa, everyone! More rapid than eagles, his horses they came, and he whistled and shouted and he called to my name. Say it with me! On Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer and Vixen, on it. I'm Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away all. As dry leaves right before the wild hurricanes fly. When they meet with an obstacle mount to the sky. So up to the housetop, his coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys. And Saint Nicholas I heard on the roof as I threw in my head and was turning around.
He's staring at the lights.
Saint Nicholas came.
Who's that?
Who's this? He was dressed
So
all
serious.
in fur from his head.
I know you saying hi.
His clothes were all tarnished with ashes and stood on him. A bundle of toys was flung on his back, and he looked like a peasant.
Smile.
His eyes, how they twinkled. His dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, and his nose like a cherry. His
having
little
fun?
neck was run up like a bow,
Yeah?
and the beard of his chin was
You
as
like
white
the
as the
train?
snow. A
Yeah?
stump of a pipe
You're
nailed
not
tight
scared
to
no
his
more?
teeth, and the smoke
No?
it encircled his head like a wreath.
He's singing?
Oh, you guys, it was Santa in my very own living room. It was so cool! Now, he had some other characters. Caps right now. And we're listening. We're right near the North Pole. So we're going to fill this car with a lot of Christmas spirit, okay? We're going to clap with me. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. S-A-N-T-A. Santa Claus is coming our way. S-A-N-T-A. Santa Claus is coming our way. S-A-N-T-A. Santa Claus is coming our way. I'm coming our way. We are here. Whoa! You saw an elf? I think we're gonna see a lot of elves. All right, let's do it one more time, everyone. We want Santa to know we're here, right? So let's fill this car with a lot of Christmas. Okay, S-A-N-T-A, Santa Claus coming our way. S-A-N-T-A, Santa Claus coming our way. everyone. And look at that big bag of toys. Wow. And the reindeer. Wow. We are in North Pole Square right now, ladies and gentlemen. And wow, they're a speedy bunch. I don't know where they're going, but they look like they were having a good time. Okay, back to Santa Says. So, we are going to play Santa Says. So if Santa says to do something, you do it. But if I don't say Santa Says before I ask you to do something, you don't do it. Okay, we have more elves! Oh, wow. Can everyone say hi, elves? And everyone, these are the, I don't know if they're for us yet. I believe they're going to feed the, they're going to feed the reindeer first. So, these are our sleepy servers, and we'll see them a little bit later, and you guys know what to do when they come back, okay? Oh, it is our time. All right, so what do we do on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, sleepy servers! All right, and I have a song all about it. And when I say go, we're going to wake up these sleepy servers. Here we go. Sleepy servers serving hot chocolate and cookies. Sleepy servers serving hot chocolate for you. Yes, it's true. Chocolate fruit through and through. Sleepy servers sleep 11 months long. Through that chocolate, chocolate is strong. Servers serving hot chocolate for you. All right, everyone, let's wake up these sleepy servers. Here we go. Wake up, sleepy servers! One more time. Thank you. Wake up, sleepy servers! You guys got it. Sleepy servers sleep 11 months long. Through that chocolate, chocolate is strong. Sleepy servers serving hot chocolate for you. All right, let's wake them up one more time. Here we go. Wake up, sleepy servers! One more time. Wake up, sleepy servers! You guys got it. Oh, wow.
Drinking hot cocoa.
All right, so that was really good, everybody.
Thank you, Timmy.
Now, once we get our hot cocoa, okay, let's say thank you to the elves. And let's say thank you to our sleepy servers. And before we get from Dibliumptious hot cocoa, we have to do our super special Christmas cocoa pledge. So everyone take your cocoa cups in 2 big strong hands for me. Hold them high up in the air and repeat after me. I will not put my hot cocoa on the windowsill. I will not on the chair. I will not put my hot cocoa on the floor. And now this is the most important, so everyone listen up. I will not put my hot cocoa on a loved one's head. Now hot cocoa, cheers everyone and enjoy. And while we enjoy, I'm going to put on some really cool Christmas tunes on my elf pod. Yeah. All right.
Abby.
There we go. All right, everyone. Let's take a nice cocoa break.
Is it yummy, Lily? Is it yummy?
When it snows. Here we go. Yeah, it did. I love it. Mrs. Claus's famous cookies. You say thank you to your elf.
Then.
Are you having little cookies? Yeah, he likes those
Little
little
back
cookies.
cookies.
Yeah.
I love my job because working at the North Pole, you get really good benefits. The pay is incredible. You get paid in unlimited amounts of hot cocoa and cookies. You can't even believe to understand how many cookies I've already had today. It's true. But I helped my friend Periwinkle, who is the reindeer wrangler, and she gets all the reindeer ready and in shape for the big night. I help her chase around the reindeer, so I keep my good figure from all these cookies. Yeah. Cheers. All right, so, and I have a feeling that he felt our Christmas spirit and is going to come pay us a little visit. I just don't know when, but we'll have to see. We'll just have to keep that spirit coming in the car. All right, so here's what we got to do. Let's play some Santa Says. How about that? Does that sound good? Actually, before we do that, I feel like it is.
Check the track. Hey, Ray, throw that up.
You want some? Okay. What do you want?
Sleep tonight.
I got 4 cookies now.
Wow, that's a lot.
Maybe somebody else wants one you can share with.
You don't want it?
No, put the cap on.
All right, everyone, let's make sure to keep our phones out for pictures with Santa. Away for now, and we're gonna play another little game, okay?
Shake it.
All right. So, Christmas is all about making new friends and sharing new traditions with new people and with your family and your friends and making new friends. So what we're gonna do right now, okay, because it's the holiday season, we are all right, everyone, take your reindeer antlers and let's make reindeer ears. And we are going to dance like reindeer. Here we go. Let's do it! And freeze! And dance! Dance! Freeze! Huh? You see yourself? Dance! Freeze! All right, we'll take your meanest Grinch face. And freeze. All right, let's dance like hippopotamuses. Don't wanna die, no dinky tinky toy. I want a hippopotamus, the boy without a joy. Freeze! Dance! Only a hippopotamus can do. Freeze! Dance! Cut the guy, the rhinoceros. I only like hippopotamuses and hippopotamuses like me too. Everyone, let's let the house go for rhino! Oh wow! All right, let's dance! Freeze! Dance! Freeze! Dance! some guitar. Keyboard. All right, parents.
Jump. I'll hold your hand. Jump. You want me to jump with you? Jump.
Ready?
Jump.
Here we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. La 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 one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. How much fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Freestyle! Let me see your moves.
Give Timmy a high
Oh, I
five.
like that one. High five! Yeah! Here we go! You jump.
Go, Nate. Go, Nate. Go, Nate. Go, Nate. Jay, break it down. Break it down, Jay. Oh, there we go. You're floss
Oh my goodness, I don't know about you, but I'm so tired.
And this is the end, you guys. Bye.